Hi, I am Dr. Manasi Razurkar. I welcome you to High Five Unscripted. Today with me is Geetal Bhapkar, mother of Reyansh Bhapkar Kushe. Thank you so much, Geetal, for coming.
Thank you for asking me to be a part of this, which is very important for me.
Thank you. The pleasure is all ours. So, Geetal, basically, I have seen you since many years, and I really admire you as a mother. Right from morning till evening, you are behind Reyansh, doing his pickups, his drops, from school, high five, Solaris, everywhere. How do you manage that?
Um, it's a very strenuous act. Definitely, it's a balancing act. Specifically because I'm also a full-time professional. So actually, our day starts sometime around 5:30 with the school preps, with him going for football around 7 o'clock, and post that he has school till 3:45. Post which I have a little time with him in the car where I pick him up and drop him at High Five, and then I have a quick discussion with Praveena, which I know that you're making her your protege. We kind of wind up everything with dinner and bedtime around 9:30. It is very challenging, but at the end of it, when I see him smiling and where I see him thriving,
Correct.
and his teachers very comfortable, and that he is achieving, it kind of falls in place. So it fits well, and it works out. So I think that's how I would answer it.
So basically, you get your me time with Reyansh
I do.
when you are driving. Am I
Totally,
right?
totally. That's the me time we discuss after a lot of coaxing, where I have to keep on asking him like 10 times, Reyansha's काय झालं? Nothing, Mama. You know him pretty
Yes.
well. But then I get that me time. I get the best part of what I would really appreciate about High Five is I get that 1 minute or half a minute with either you or even Praveena for that matter, at least alternate days.
Right.
And that helps me connect more with them, for them to connect more with them,
More
as
with-
in the teachers, or you to connect with
Reyansh.
Reyansh. And it really works out.
We do
That
get our
process
me time during
coexisting.
you drive as well. So we do
Totally.
have a
We have a quick chat. Right.
So Reyansh is with me for 4 years plus, if I'm not wrong.
More than that.
Yeah. And so initially, when he was in his preschooling, definitely, I mean, he has been a part of High Five. Now he's in grade 3. I want to know the reason why you still decided to continue his journey with High Five.
Right. You know these answers more than me, but I would still want to enlighten. You've seen him not just in High Five, right? You've seen him from the time he was 18 months.
Right.
So I then knew you as that strict teacher when in your earlier role, and I couldn't unfortunately interact with you in those couple of years whenever he was with the earlier school. But what I would say is, since we connected, especially around before COVID and after COVID, you were a part of his daily activity, whether it was 45 minutes or 30 minutes, but Mansi teacher. And then he was just like 3 years old.
Yes, yes.
And he would love. What was important is that connecting online still made a lot of sense to him, which was not easy with many of the parents.
Yes.
And then you saw him grow, and that is the time when I saw you as a teacher, because before that I did not have any exposure.
Yes.
And then we connected, now that we are even friends. But when it comes to choosing a schooling, because these are very formative years, and since my parents or our parents, all of our parents have taken a lot of efforts in putting us in the right schools,
Yes.
nurturing us well, it becomes a very deep and personal decision. I wanted something where he is not just hungry and getting exposed to a lot of activities, but also grounded and rooted to his culture, which is
Right.
very, very significant in High Five. Whether it is Ashadi Ekadashi or whether it was the Hanuman Chalisa, which was around 3 years, which
Yes.
is one of the amazing things. Riyansh was 3 years when he won Hanuman
Yes.
Chalisa, and it was appreciated. So that it's some children, like Riyansh, it's not just about being sharp and uh, brilliant or whatever. It is about the hunger and the motivation. He's quiet, but yet he wants to. He challenged. He needs those challenges, and
Yes.
you've seen that.
Yes.
And that I saw when I connected with you personally. No doubt, it's a very safe place because I'm very picky and choosy about these things. It's when it comes to even hygiene, it gives the best of it. I'm not saying it has to be very fancy,
Right.
but all these things, what you take care at home or with your real loved, whenever you go to friend's place also, or you go to your
Yes,
relatives, it's as simple as that. So if I'm not with him, might as well keep him with you. It's as simple as, I think I answered that question very easily. So it's not about just igniting the hunger or the exposure in a child. It's also about keeping them grounded, giving them the best
Absolutely.
culture,
Absolutely.
giving them have fear, not living with fear, but living with faith. And I think I
Absolutely.
see that in High Five.
Thank you. So, Geeta, my one more question to you is that as a mother of a preteen, what are the challenges that you're currently navigating?
Who knows this? So nowadays they call it tweens.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, and we still to hit that place of 9 to 12. But since Riyansh just turned 8 couple
Yes,
of weeks back,
yes.
and he being I wouldn't say a difficult child, but quiet, but still wants his way.
Yes.
And that his way is becoming more and more predominant now. It is a completely balancing act, balancing between structured and activity or instruction oriented learning or activities to an independent free play where the imagination is given more food. And High Five extremely cuts that part, because when you're doing the simple thing is your activities, whether it is Mother Owl's Nest or it is Art Aura or it is a simple activity that you do in your day-to-day daily activities. You just don't sit with the children and acha ye karna hai, chalo painting karo, this is what is drawn.
Yes.
There is more personal touch. Since you've known Riyansh and the teachers have known, the teachers have also molded themselves, and it's not just about Riyansh. I've spoken to parents. So every child is different, and the teacher kind of goes to the level, whether it's Praveena or it is Aditi or it is Zui, sorry. They go to the level of connecting to the child where तुला करायचं आहे, मग हे केलं तर चालेल. These things are very important.
Yes.
Where the child is also given an independence of thought whether he
Yes.
can choose, and that's what is important in preteens, which
Yes,
also you
yes,
keep telling
yes.
me, right?
Definitely,
that,
definitely.
गीतल तो आता मोठा होता है.
त्यांना त्यांचं ओपिनियन मांडायची
Exactly.
they should be given that chance, I feel.
And that's so sweet, because many times I want him to do the activities in Mother Owl's Nest where I tell तू थोडंसं जरा parents साठी पण कर. I'll be the first one to come. But Zui asks him in the day, Priyanka asks him that तुला करायचं आहे, do you want to be a part of it? And then she connects with me. It may not be with every child,
I know.
but that matters.
Right.
And so struggling between that independence of thought, in imaginative free play, and structure oriented. I mean, simple lessons also that I have to do with him, he doesn't take it as a lesson, or even Praveena knows that.
Yes, yes.
Sometimes I have to make it a game, which is more challenging. So I think it will hit when it hits, when it is the teens, but I think we are going in the right base.
So, Geetal, Riyansh and I share a very special bond. What do you think has helped us build that trust between us?
Again, like you said, he has grown in front of you. He has seen you from 18 months. So that's a long period. But I don't think that could be just one reason. Since he is a very quiet child and like you say, he's a scientist kind of a kid. Swadacha's jagat asto. It's not easy for anyone to read that. It can be misconstrued. It can be misunderstood as "Arey ha खूपच शांत है." but you have seen him perform, you have
Yes.
seen him achieve, and he grows on achievements. So every time there is a target set, which is just competing with himself, and we both work with it,
Yes,
including
yes.
Pravina.
Yes.
That a simple thing was that if he gets more than 96 this time, he'll
Yes.
get a cycle.
Yes.
So it's not bribing; it's more like for him
To
to
challenge himself.
challenge him.
Yes.
You understand that very well. There are many times where I break down
Yeah.
and I call you की अगं मी
Yes.
त्याला जरा रागवले मानसी मी काय करू.
Correct.
Right? A simple thing as that. And I think it all stems, your connection with the child stems to your grave understanding of child behavior. And that's a very important thing for me, and my mother will understand it better because she's also has been a teacher.
Yeah.
But she knows that I confide in you when it comes to him, because it's a very, very close to your heart, a very very sensitive topic when it
Yes.
comes to your child,
Yes.
especially somebody who's quiet
Right.
but still achieving, still has that independence of thought.
Yes.
So, since you understand this about him, there have been so many times where I call you and tell, Manjit, tu sam,
Yes.
please, you take your time, but you tell him this, because he looks up to you. And like I
Yes.
said, you're making your proteges now in your organization. Just recently, I reached out to Pravina for the same thing. I said, it looks like his confidence is shaken. So don't have to do anything. I've done the job. You just have to tell him ki, you're going to do well.
Right.
And it works so well, because some kids are like that.
Yes,
It's
yes,
a very
yes.
formative age.
Yes.
So I think that is the bond he shares with you. There's so many things that he probably will share with me. Other than me, he doesn't share with anyone but you. So it's built over the years. It's built because of your understanding and your nurturing him, and we
all-
working in collaboration.
We love him a lot at High Five. We really love him a lot
Thank
at
you.
High Five.
So does he.
So you know that High Five somewhere around 1.5 year back started this revolutionary concept, Mama's Nest.
Mama's Nest.
I want you to put some insights on that concept. So I can proudly tell that I am the first one to start that.
Yes.
So if you can just put your thoughts.
I remember when we both connected over this, and I was like, "Kai, amazing concept hai," because it's not just that you're thinking about the child.
Right.
You're thinking beyond the child. You're thinking about the child's world. The child's world is majorly mom and dad,
Yes.
and the environment at home, and then school, and it goes beyond. So if you went many steps forward to think for the mother or the dad that they have their time
Right.
to bond,
Yes.
or to bond with their friends, or to
Yes.
just sit and relax. Amazing concept. And in that concept, it was not just like you drop the child and you would pick up the child, we will give him the best of the food, they will sit and watch screen.
Yes.
No, there is a very imaginative and creative, very thought-based subject every time. Which, like I tell you many times, ki even the parents should get a chance. Sometimes even I feel and come and enjoying it. So they are engaged in it. They have their own time. You had some barbecue. You had you have such amazing activities. I think there was a camping night
Yes,
also.
yes, we had.
They dance.
Yes.
There are times where, and I share that with you, where Ryan says that, Mama, not on Saturday evening, yaar. Because he's there with you
Yes.
for all the activities in the
Yes.
day. But when I tell him that, and I kind of entice him with the things that, this is going to happen, that is going to happen. And they always come back smiling and laughing, though these kids sleep very early. But they stay with you till 10:30,
Yes,
and they are
10:30,
all happy about it. I think that's the best thing. You're giving the environment of the child to grow well. That's what else you can ask for.
Thank you. So, Geetal, my last question to you is, how do you want High Five to evolve or grow to support parents and children even better?
I would say you're already doing a lot. But with that, sometimes I feel that since you have this amazing understanding of child behavior, and you keep doing, you are also developing yourself, right, as you
Yeah.
grow.
Yes.
You take up different courses. Um, the age is different. There is a lot of exposure. There is a lot of things which are not there, with challenges with the parents had when we were kids,
Yes.
or even in the middle years, like 5-6 years back. These kids have so much knowledge that they can access, so much knowledge that they don't need to access,
Correct.
so much that they share with each other, which is many times taken as the wrong thing, but
Yes.
it has to be handled and tackled well. So sometimes I feel that since you have this in-depth knowledge of even not just child behavior, about counseling also, I feel that there could be some one-to-one sessions with parents and children, whether you hold it or you want someone else to hold it,
Take it ahead. Yeah.
where it's just an hour in 3 months, where you want to discuss that what it is, what are the challenges even the children are having with their own
Yes.
parents or with their
Yes.
surroundings, whether it is hi-fi or school. That will help because you know things. We can't go and ask this to anybody else. It's just
Right.
because you have these expertise. I think that is the only thing. Other than that, you are
I will
doing very
definitely keep that into consideration. And thank you so much, Geetal, for coming.
Thank you.
I would like to thank our venue partner, Studio 55 Architects, as well.
Thank you so much.